guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jasmine. I am the owner of two Etsy shops. The first one is CreativeJasDesigns, second one is Twinkleology. I'll link them in the description if you want to check those out. But in today's video, I'm going to be working on a lot of orders that I received on my Twinkleology shop. So this is how many orders I have right now. A few more came in, but I don't have the shirts for those, so I'll be probably working on those tomorrow. But I'll be working on these orders today. So I'm gonna go now and turn on my heat press, get that started, and then I have to start pre-treating my shirts and onesies and then starting the orders. So I'll be back. All right. So here I go off to my heat press. Turn this on. And set it. I already have it set. Can't really see that. There you go. 320 for 30 seconds. Alright, so now I'm gonna start pre-treating. It's freezing in this room. Whew, super cold in here. But I gotta try and hurry because the later it gets, the colder it gets in here, so I don't want to freeze to death, so I gotta be quick. I've got quite a few onesies and shirts to pre-treat right now, so let's see. Actually, I have to change my heat timer. Heat press is almost heated to the 320. machine is always getting transported from the other room to here is because this room gets too cold, and in the summer too hot, and I can't keep it in here because it will destroy this machine. And the pre-treatment as well, I can't keep in here, the actual liquid. All right, sorry about that. I had a lot of designs to edit because I had to put a lot of names that I didn't do before, so I didn't want you guys sitting through that. But I'm gonna start printing the onesies now. So, I'm actually gonna sort these out and put the biggest ones at the bottom, work my way up from smallest to biggest. Here's my newborn. Masking tape, which I always forget to grab before. Finally done with printing and pressing. So I'll be back when I'm packaging them and putting it all together. Alright, so here are all the orders I just did. I'm about to package them now. Alright, so I am about to package the orders. I have 18 orders here, 21 shirts and onesies to package. So I have 21 of these plastic sleeves, and I have 18 of these poly mailers, because there's 18 orders. Then I have my thank you labels, and then I have my tape. So I will get started. Good thing is I had already folded these as I was going, so when I pressed them, I folded them while I was at it to try to speed things up. So probably gonna try to package this up a little different. Not sure yet. Let me see. Just gonna see if I put this receipt and thank you card on the back. Let's see how that looks. Not sure how I feel about it yet. I guess it's easier to just put it inside the sleeve. I put my thank you label and my shipping label. So we'll see if I continue doing it that way. I don't mind putting it on top of the actual elastic insert, so I may just keep doing it the way I want. Keep hearing noises outside, but my ring bell is not going off, so I don't know what's going on. My husband's not due to be here yet. He went to the store, so. Sure, it's just me just being paranoid. I watch too much Crime Junkie. Not watch, listen. Look at the stack already, like falling over. Let's see. Thank you so much for sticking through and watching this video of me making my Etsy orders and packaging. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. And also, if you guys have any ideas of any videos you'd like to see on this channel, please make sure to leave it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.